once again, this is Teacher Ray and welcome to our Math English class. So for today's lesson, we will be talking about locating three-digit numbers on a number line. Again, locating three-digit numbers on a number line. Okay, so what is a number line? So I'm going to show you a picture. Okay, so what is the name of this picture? So this picture's name is called a number line. Again, number line. So this number line starts from 0 and it ends with what number? It ends with 100. Okay, so now what number is in the middle? What do you think is the number? It's in the middle. It's number 50. Okay, so the number that is in between 0 to 100 is 50. Again, 50. Okay, so let's have another example. How about 50 and 100? What number is in between? It is, very good, 75. How about here? So what number is in between 0 and 50? It is, okay, good job. So it is 25. Okay, so when we're going to count this, it's 0, 25, 50, 75, and 100 or 100. Let's have another example. Okay, look at this number line. Okay, so this number line starts from 100 and it ends with 200. Okay, so look at this number. So what do you think is the number between 100 and 200? It is, very good, 150. Again, 150. How about 100 and 150? So what is the number between 100 and 150? It is 125. How about between 150 and 200? Good job. It is 175. Let's have another example. Let's look at this number line. So this number line starts from 300 and it ends with 400. Okay, so now look at this. Okay, so the number between 300 and 400 is 350. And what's between 300 and 350? It is 325. How about here? What's the number between 350 and 400? It's 375. Very good. How about this next example? Okay, so let's look at these numbers. Okay, so this number line starts from 100 and it ends in 500. Okay, so let's look at this. What do you think is the number that is missing on the number line? So there are two missing numbers. So we have 100. What's next? 200, 300, and 400, and 500. Okay, so what do you think? What skip counting did we use with this number line? We use skip counting by 100. Okay, so we have 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. Okay, good job, kids. Next. Okay, look at this number line. So this number line starts with 100 and it ends in 300. Okay, so there are how many lines that we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 lines. So what do you think is the number that is missing? It is 150. So the number between 100 and 200, it's 150. How about 200 and 300? It is 250. So now look at this arrow. So we have 100, 150, 200, 250, and 300. So what do you think is the skip counting we use here? We use skip counting by 50. Okay, good job. How about the next example? So here, we're going to use skip counting by 25. So look at this third example. So the number line starts from 100 and it ends with 200. So what number is missing here in between 100 and 150? It is 125. How about the second one? It is 175. So it's skip counting by 25. So 100 plus 25, it's 125. 125 plus 25, so that's 150. 150 plus 25, so that's 175. 175 plus 25, it's 200. Okay. All right, so for your assignment, get your math book and open it on page 13. Again, get your math book and open on page 13. But if you don't have with you your math book, you can get your math notebook and write your answers. Okay, so this is what you're going to do. So you have here 2 missing boxes on top of the number line. So you're going to write the missing numbers, and you have 2 numbers below. So what are you going to do is put an arrow and write the answer. Okay, for example, we have here 300, 350, we have 500, 650, and 700. So what do you think is the missing number in between? It is, so we have 300, next 400, next 500, and what's here? It's 600 and 700. So now we have 2 missing numbers here. So where are we going to put 350? So it should be between 300 and 400. So you're going to write here 350. How about here? 650. It should be in between 600 and 700 and put a line. Okay, so you can use your ruler and match the correct answer. Okay, so that's it for today, boys and girls. So once again, this is Teacher Ray. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye for now.